So good day everyone, I am Vincent Lasavid and today we're going to discuss about corrosion. Under this, we're going to discuss about the meaning of corrosion, the types of corrosion, the effects of corrosion, and lastly, the importance of studying corrosion. So these are the objectives for our discussion for today. So, what is corrosion by the way? Corrosion is a natural process that converts a well-refined metal into a oxidized one, or in simple words, this means rust. This is a basic example of corrosion. Now, let's proceed to the types of corrosion. First is what we call uniform corrosion, or in simple words, the metal corrodes only at a exposed surface. This is a basic example of uniform corrosion. Second is what we call galvanic corrosion, or in simple words, a metal corrodes only if it touches another metal due to the process of electrolyte fusion. This is a basic example of galvanic corrosion. Last is what we call a crevice corrosion, and it means that corrosion only occurs within the gaps of a metal. And this is a basic example of crevice corrosion. So now, let's focus on the effects of corrosion in four aspects. In health, due to the different chemicals that are present in the corroded metal, sometimes it causes tetanus to humans. Economically, it increases the budgeting of a specific company. Environmentally, it affects the abundancy of a specific metal, whether it is produced locally or in other country. And lastly, in safety, corrosion can lead into a serious danger because at some point, it weakens a specific part of metal, and if that's the case, it can lead into an accident. It is important to have a study and to have a background in these kind of details because we all know that corrosion is present in our daily lives. And in fact, we as a future engineers, without prior thinking of these kind of details, it might affect the field where we belong. Let's say for example, I am a mechanical engineer and I am about to build a machine. Without prior knowledge on these kind of topics or details, it might affect the machine that I'm going to build. It might result into accidents, into high budgeting, because at some point it is interconnected with one another in relation to the effects that I have tackled earlier. So I hope that you've learned a lot from my presentation. And always remember that knowledge is the most powerful tool that you can have in life. So that's it. Thank you and God bless us all.